Hey guys, so today I'm going to be making egg boats or egg canoes, but I'm making these today because it is Easter morning and there's going to be a lot of cooking going on later for like lunch and dinner, so I thought I would make something easy for breakfast so you can easily share with the whole family. And obviously you don't have to make this for Easter, you can make it anytime, but I thought it was a pretty cool idea. And so the bread I'm going to be using for my egg boats is sourdough bread. There's a really big thing of sourdough bread, so we have 2 egg boat things here, but you can use whatever bread that you decide. This is just the one that we found at the store. And the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take my melted butter. You can also use oil, but I'm using butter. I'm just going to be spreading it across probably the whole thing too, not just the inside, so that way it's some nice toasty bread. The next thing I'm going to add is my cheese. I'm just going to sprinkle a little bit in each one. Of course, Willow comes over here as soon as she hears cheese because she loves cheese. But later, she'll get her own Easter basket and everything. The next thing I'm going to add is either of my meats. I have Canadian bacon here, and then I just have bacon there. So I'll do like a slice of each in here. Maybe it's a good thing to use sourdough bread because it is like a pretty thick bread, and so I'm going to be able to add, you know, a lot more. There's that in there. I'm going to put some bacon bits in these. Go. And then now I'm going to be adding in each of the eggs that I have. I'm just putting one in each thing. And it's okay if the egg kind of spills a little bit, but I'll try not to make too much of a mess. And of course you can always add whatever toppings you want. This is like, you know, just basic like egg, bacon, and cheese. There we go. And then when I'm done putting in all of the eggs, I'm gonna put my seasoning, of course. There we go. And then the last one. Ended up not spilling as much as I thought it was going to. So now I have my little salt here. Is it coming out? Yeah, it is. That's good. I think, yeah. And then my pepper. Okay, I think that's good. Now I am ready to cook my egg boats in the oven, and I'm gonna try at 375 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm gonna check them at around like maybe 10-15 minutes. So here are the egg boats, the other one's still on the tray. I actually ended up cooking them for about 20 minutes. I kept having to like add more time to the timer because it just looked raw, but I think it's a little, like the middle part is cooked a little more, so if you want to have it less. But yeah, because I don't really like eating just like very raw, runny egg. But yeah, now I'm gonna cut into it. I'll cut off this piece maybe. It's very crispy. Probably have a hard time cutting a piece off, but oh yeah, you can see the yolk is like not running in the middle, but that's okay. As long as the outside and the whites are cooked. So now I'm ready to try it. Hopefully it's not too hot. But yeah, I think if I cooked it maybe like 5 minutes less or something, or like even just like a few minutes less, it would have been a little more runny. But it still tastes good. Like I said, I don't want it to be too runny. I'd rather have it be a little overcooked than taste raw. But yeah, it tasted really good. And the bacon was nice and crunchy, and so was the toast. It's like really, really nice and toasty, but nice and soft in the middle. And like I said before, you can put whatever toppings you want, and then if you want to like serve it to people, you just kind of like how I did, you just cut a piece so everyone can have one little egg boat. I really enjoyed making these, and I would definitely make them again because they taste really good. If you guys enjoyed today's video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. Happy Easter!